Hey there, ninjas. Sorry, I just whacked myself in the head. Hey there, ninjas. So, I've got something really exciting I want to talk about today. I want to talk about a free knife skills challenge that I'm setting up. So, it's going to be 5 days, and it's going to include a week's worth or 5 days worth of video trainings and cheat sheets and directions on like how to chop vegetables, how to chop herbs, how to take care of your knives, what knives to pick, what equipment you need, how to take care of all of your other equipment, how to not cut your fingers off, all that fun stuff. I'm super excited about this because this is going to be my very first challenge and it's going to be totally free for everybody. Um, and I'm debating how big I want to make it. So I'm trying to figure out how many people are interested. So if you're interested in participating in a free knife skills challenge, 5 days, go ahead and leave a comment below this video. Even just leave like an emoji or just like I'm in or yay or whatever, because it's really important that I figure out how many people are interested, so I can figure out like how big to make this thing. Because if a lot of people are interested, then I'm going to put a lot of time and energy into making it really big, really expansive. And if not that many people are interested in it, it's still going to be awesome. But I might like divide it into two different challenges instead. So if you're interested in a knife skills challenge, go ahead and leave a comment and let me know that you're into it. Basically, I think what I'll go into is knife care, how to pick the proper knife, how to chop some like real basic vegetables, like how to get those like perfect like French laundry style cuts if you're interested, but also like some really basic like home cuts because at home we don't need to chop like the French laundry. But sometimes it's fun to know how, just so that you can practice and really get like your perfection up, so that like when you have your friends over and they watch you chop, they give you like the jealous side eye, like when did you go to culinary school? Because you chop like you work for like a 3-star restaurant. So um, that's it. I'm really excited about this. I'm probably going to launch this in the fall because summertime's a really crazy time for everybody. Kids are around, people are on vacation, and I really want to make sure that I put the time into this to do it right. That's my number one priority, is that I do it right. And high production value is really, really important to me. So this is not like going to be a quickie turnaround thing. This is going to be like a really awesome, like beautifully designed, highly useful, highly guided a tour of how to use your knife and how to become a master chopping ninja in the kitchen. So, like I said, leave a comment below, even if it's just an emoji to let me know that you're along for the ride, and I will report back and let you know what I'm thinking and what it's going to look like. Anyways, thanks so much for being here, ninjas. Bye bye.